My journey into website programming began like any other adventure, with curiosity and a desire to create something of my own. Armed with determination and a passion for technology, I dove headfirst into the world of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The coding bootcamp was intense, challenging, but incredibly rewarding. I learned the fundamentals of web development and discovered the power of problem-solving through code. With newfound knowledge and skills, I embarked on my first solo project, a personal portfolio website. It was a labor of love, filled with late nights of debugging and countless cups of coffee. The feeling of pride and accomplishment when I finally launched my website was indescribable. It was the culmination of months of hard work and dedication. As I continued to hone my skills, I realized that website programming was not just a hobby, but a career path that I was truly passionate about. Landing my first job as a web developer was a dream come true. It was the beginning of a new chapter in my coding journey, one filled with endless possibilities and opportunities for growth. Each day presents new challenges and opportunities to learn, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Website programming isn't just about writing code. It's about building experiences that connect people and bring ideas to life. As I look back on my journey into website programming, I'm grateful for every obstacle I've overcome and every lesson I've learned along the way. The adventure continues and I can't wait to see where it takes me next.